A, that is a covered interest rate arbitrages. That's a very, very important. You are going to invest. Okay, listen, sir. Here, I'm taking AH. So what is the AH? It is a amount in home country. That means how much money you're going for investment. Okay. That means how much money you're going to borrow from the investment. Okay. That is the initial investment. Initial. Okay, sir. Okay. Now you take yes. Yes is the that was spot exchange rate. Okay. Yes or no? Okay, sir. Sir, just 5 minutes, please. Under 5 minutes. Then you are going to deposit this money. Listen, sir. This money you're going to borrow from domestic. Okay, madam Anthony. So this is the money you're going to borrow from domestic. Then you are going to convert this currency when you are going for investment in other country with a spot exchange rate. Okay. So,
Yes.
so that means when you are going to invest in other currency, that means you are going to get what you are going to get return. That is the interest rate in foreign. That is the IF. When you are going to deposit in other country, you are going to get interest rate from foreign country. Okay. Then next one, I'm going to take what is the forward exchange rate, because today you are going investment in foreign country. After 1 year, you're going to take a money from back to Colombia. So that means you don't know what is the forward exchange rate. So this is name is called forward exchange rate. Okay, sir. Okay. So now, okay, listen, this is, please understand, this is the t equal to 0, the t equal to 1. Okay, madam. So here you're going to borrow AH. What is the H? How much money you're going to borrow today from from domestic. Okay. Then you're going for investment into foreign country. Okay. So that means this is S0. That is the S is nothing. What is the exchange rate today? What is the exchange rate today? So you're going to convert into Colombian peso into dollar. Okay. And so when you are going to invest in other country, for example, you're going for 3 months or 1 year. So for 3 months, you're going to get interest rate from foreign country. Okay. Understand? After 3 months, you're going to get some AN. What is the AN? How much money you're going to get after 3 months? Anthony, okay? Maybe after the N is the maturity period. Maturity period. Okay, that means after 3 months, 6 months. Okay. So this is the final amount. Okay? Yes or no? So now, what is the final amount?
Yes.
Okay. So now, AN, please understand. AN is nothing but how much money I'm going to get after some period, because this is the AN is a end of end. And I'm going to. So how much that means how much money you're going to borrow from the local, from the domestic company, then what is the exchange rate? Okay, multiply by 1 plus IF. What is the interest rate you're going to get from the international? Multiply by F. F is the forward exchange rate. Forward exchange rate. Okay, sir. Hello, yes or no? Anthony, okay? So now,
Yes.
listen. Yes, sir, in the last chapter number 2, 5, I discussed about discount and premium. I remember this one? Discount and premium. Remember?
Yes.
So that means I'm going to take that definition. So here, I think I told you, listen, this is the F, this is a yes. Okay? So now, okay, so that means it maybe goes up, it maybe goes down. Okay? So forward equal to spot exchange rate multiplied by 1 plus P. I remember this one or not? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So now
Yes.
this AN equal to AH divided by S. So 1 plus IF. The F, can I write like this? S into 1 plus P. Yes or no? So that means yes and yes. So A N equal to A H and 1 plus IF multiplied by 1 plus P. Okay? Okay or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so listen, please understand. So listen, madam. This is a T equal to 0. This is a T equal to 1. So today, how much investment? Today, how much investment? Anthony, any idea? That means how much money I'm going to borrow from domestic. That is a AH. How much? Understand? So that means today is AH. Okay? And after 1 year, 2 year, what you are going to get? AN. Understand?
AN.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the AH is how much money you're going to borrow from the domestic. That is the AH is a home country. Money borrowed from home country, and the AN is nothing but what is the return I'm going to get after 6 months or 1 year period. It is a final amount. So now investment is A. Please understand, investment AH and return is N. That is the, so you can find out what is the return. So this is the, I think this is the P1, P2. So now return equal to AN minus AH divided by AH. Can I write like this? That is the P2 minus P1 divided by P1. I remember this one.
Yes.
Okay. So return, because, so what is the return? What I'm going to get tomorrow minus what I'm going to invest today divided by today investment. I think you know, okay.
Yes.
So today investment is my AH, that is the money borrowed from domestic, and return is a AN divided by money borrowed from AH. Okay. So return. So what is the return? That is a R equal to AN minus AH divided by AH. Okay?
Yes,
or no?
Professor.
Okay. Now listen. Now I already proved. So here, listen. So here AN equal to AH multiplied by this one. Okay, AH. Okay. So AN, what is the AN? AH multiplied by 1 plus IF and 1P. Okay. So here, so now what is the AN? Equal to AH multiplied by 1 plus IF and 1 plus P minus AH divided by AN. Sorry, AH. Okay? Anthony, understand or not? So now equal to AH is a common. This is a common. So 1 plus IF and 1 plus P minus 1. Yes or no? Because AH I'm taking outside. AH. So AH cancel. So a return equal to 1 plus IF and 1 plus P. Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay. Listen, sir, what I'm going to explain, please understand. Please understand. When you are, please understand, when you are going for investment international, there are two. One is the return from the interest rate, that is the foreign interest rate. Hello? Okay. Second point, exchange rate. Suppose exchange rate is increasing, that is a premium. Suppose exchange rate decreasing, it's a discount. You think? Understand? Because sometimes exchange rate becomes the discount and premium. Suppose if interest rates become increasing, you are going to get the profit from the exchange rate. Sometimes it will discount. Okay, understand? Okay. So this one is okay. So now okay, just okay. This is the last one. Please wait 1 minute. Okay. So now, okay, now Anthony, how much return you want? How much return you want?
At least the interest rate from the domestic.
Very good, very good. So that means so return because this is my return. How much I want? I need at least interest in domestic. Okay, so 1 plus IF and 1 plus P minus 1. That means I discuss from here. Okay, so from here, okay, minus 1 equal to IH. Minus 1 is what? Investment. Okay, so 1 plus IF and 1 plus P equal to IH plus 1. Okay, so now 1 plus P equal to 1 plus IH, interest in domestic, 1 plus IF, and P equal to 1 plus IH and 1 plus IF minus 1. Okay? Okay or not?
Yes,
Hello?
okay.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Just only one last exercise, then you can go. Okay, last exercise. Okay, which one? 6 months? Okay, so listen. Now, assume that Mexican peso. That's okay. So here, 6 month interest 6%, and year 5%. Okay. So now can you find whether it's a premium or discount? Okay. Okay. So here, listen. Here, IH equal to 5% and IF equal to 6%. Okay. So what is the P? Premium 1 plus IH and 1 plus IF minus 1. So 1 plus IH 1.05 and 1.06 minus 1. What? How much, sir? 1.05, 1.06 minus 1. How much? Become, so P become minus 0.94. So now minus the P is premium or discount? P is negative.
Discount.
Yeah. So now
Discount.
discount means what? Discount means what? Discount means what? Your home
Lose.
currency become discount. Your home currency become depreciation value or appreciation?
Yes.
Depreciation value. Anthony, because listen, understand, madam, because chapter number 5 I discuss. If it is positive, that means the premium. There are two things. Exchange rate is going to become positive or negative. If it is positive, means that means your currency is going to be
Appreciate.
premium, appreciate. But negative means your currency become discount. Okay, but from this, the premium year P year is a premium or discount? Yes.
Here,
Yeah, why?
discount.
Because negative.
Mhm.
Negative. That means your home currency is going to become
Depreciate.
depreciation value. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I think this is enough. So remaining things you try to just read it, okay?
Okay, teacher.
So this is a very theoretical, okay? Just you read it, or you can find from the book. Okay, so this is something like this. Okay, this is the forecasting exchange rate. How you are going to forecasting? So this is a different way they are using the forecasting technique. Okay, so listen, technical, fundamental, market-based, mixed. The forecasting, market-based, and model-based. This is the one. Okay. Yes or no?
Okay, teacher. Today we have to submit the assignment.
Yes. What is the problem? Because I mentioned the mail. What is the problem? Everyone asking what is the last date, what is the last date? Why?
The teacher, I sent to you yesterday, and it says that it don't reach the email. Like Joa Prava.
I got it. No problem.
Teacher, can we
Yes.
have more time for submitting the assignment?
How many days you want? You tell me.
Is possible the next week?
Until Friday.
Next week is too much. No.
Until Friday.
Okay, Friday evening 5 o'clock. Friday evening 5 o'clock. Okay, so that means I'm going to extend the assignment. Yeah, 5 p.m.
Friday, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 p.m.
Okay.
That is evening 5 o'clock. Okay. Suppose if
Okay.
I'm going to get 5-1, I'm not going to accept. So that means I'm going to extend the assignment for 3 days. Today, tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. So that means 4 days I'm going to give. So please submit your assignment Friday evening 5 o'clock. Suppose you're going to
Okay.
give
Professor,
after
thank
5
you.
o'clock, I'm now doing. Pardon?
Thank you.
Yes, okay, thank you. Thank you, Professor.
Sir, and one more thing is, listen, sir, up to today, I discussed chapter number 2, balance of payment, and this is chapter number 6. It's a PPP, that is the purchasing power parity. Okay, I think everyone you got some idea. And the next class, it is the last class. Next is the last class. I'm going to discuss one more chapter. That means I'm going to complete maximum 1 hour, one and a half hour chapter number. I think one more chapter. Okay. So next week, please understand. Next week, I'm going for exam. Next week. That means, wait. So today is what? 17. Okay. And next week is the 24. And December 1st. December 1st, I'm going for the exam. Okay. Understand? Anthony, okay?
Okay, teacher.
So,
So we finish
so next class, I'm going to complete the class.
21st of December.
Yeah, first of December, I'm going to take exam.
Teacher, multiple choice.
No. No.
Teacher, a little bit, like in intro, like 40% multiple choice and the rest open.
Anyway, you're not going to study. I know, because you're always see there are so many. Anna Sophia, no open camera. Rafael, no camera. Martin Ocampo, no, Valentina, they don't have camera, because you're not serious.
Yeah, but we are here, Professor.
Huh?
We are here.
Teacher, but I'm here the whole class.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try to think. Okay, because and one more thing, I'm not sure 100%. Okay, let's see, because I'm not satisfied your class, because no one is listening, no one is coming with on the sheet, and always closing the camera and playing, and where is Anjala? Anjala is always playing with the mobile phone, and everyone mobile. So you're not serious, then why you're asking me? You should serious. Then you ask me, then I'll try to help you. No, okay, but 100%, 99%, I'm going for only theoretical questions. 1% is possible. I'm going for choose the best answers. Okay, 19% I'm going for theoretical questions, like a chapter MTU 2. Okay, but 1% I don't know whether I'm going to. Let's check. Let's see. Okay, sir. Sir, please wait. I'm going to take attendance.
Teacher, so when would it be?
Pardon, sir. Pardon.
When would it be the final exam?
Maybe 1st December.
All right.
It's okay for you? Or you want one more week? 1st or 8th?
I think it's okay.
Sir, and one more thing is, I'm planning to give one more assignment. Okay, planning to give one more assignment. Okay, let's
No,
see.
it's
Let's
okay,
see.
teacher. It's okay.
Okay, because okay, I'm planning. Okay, let's wait. Okay, maybe next week.
Teacher, the 8th.
Yeah, I think we can go for 8. We can go for 8, because anyway, I'm going to give one more assignment. Okay.
What?
Yes, teacher, the 8th.
Yeah. Okay. 8th December. So before that, I'm going to give one more assignment. You try to submit on 8th. Okay. And Brave C1. Okay.
Dear teacher.
Camila Suleta.
Yes, teacher.
Maria Camila.
Teacher.
And Valentina.
Here.
Okay. And Julian Andres.
Present, teacher. Here.
And Serna Valentina.
Here, teacher.
Last actually, MTE2, I gave 15 marks to everyone. I remember not. Okay, because everyone got less marks, then I gave you almost 15 marks to everyone. And the second point, next time you don't expect. So whatever you're going to get, that is the final mark. Okay, don't please be serious. Okay, don't expect any benefit from me.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Nicolas Rivera.
Here, Professor.
Erosa.
Here, teacher.
And Luisa Fernanda Escobar? Nothing. And Sara Isabel?
Teacher.
And Sebastian?
Here.
Rafael?
Teacher.
Sir, please understand.
Chicos,
Next week, please. Okay, next week. Maybe there are two options. Okay, I may go for one more assignment, or I'm going for quiz. Quiz, understand what I'm saying? No,
Yes.
listen.
Teacher.
Yeah, there are two options. I don't know whether I'm going to give the assignment or not, or maybe I'm going for the quiz. Quiz. Maybe from next class, I'm going to give maybe quiz. I don't know whether I'm going to give the assignment or quiz.
Assignment, teacher.
Yes, teacher, assignment.
What assignment?
Quiz,
Yeah.
difficult.
So you can copy from others. Brian.
No,
No, teacher.
no, teacher, but I have questions, so I
Please tell.
can. No, I mean I will have questions,
Okay.
so I
Yeah,
can
you
do.
can get
quiz.
some idea, no? You can get some
Yes.
idea. You can get. Okay, I'll check. Okay. Ana Sofia,
Here, teacher.
Molina Martinez. And Isabella Martinez Victoria.
Here.
Juan Pablo
Here, professor.
Martin
Here, professor.
Ocambo. Where's Ocambo? And Osario Gomez.
Sorry, professor. I was talking with my mom. Matias Ocampo. I'm right here.
Osario Manuel Gomez. Osario.
No,
No?
Matias Ocampo. I'm right here.
Okay. Osario? No. Antonio Sabel?
Here,
Okay.
teacher.
Daniel Philip?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Penaso? Okay. Solomon?
professor.
Solomon? Not there? Okay. Solomon is not there.
Teacher,
Nicholas? Uh-huh.
you call me?
Oh, what is the name?
Luisa.
No. Wait, one second, please. Nicholas Sanchez? Not there. And lady, Joanna?
Here, teacher.
And Angela Fernandez?
Here, teacher.
And Daniel Rios Zambrano? Okay. So you can go. Luisa Escobar. Where is Luisa Escobar? Yes, I called you. Where are you? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Professor.
See you,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Professor,
Yes.
can I ask you for